How to change language on Gemini app. So first of all, launch Gemini app on your mobile devices. Now, go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. From here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on Settings. Now, over here you'll see the category of languages. Tap on it. Now, on top you'll see Main Language. Tap on it first. Now, from here you can see various languages. You can choose any language according to your preferences. Also, if we go back, you can also see the section of second language. This is for speech only. So you can tap on Add another language and then choose any language according to your preferences for your Gemini speech. For now, let's go ahead and change our main language. So I'm going to tap on English United Kingdom. From here, let's tap on French for now. Now, let's tap on Restart Gemini on this pop-up. Now, once the app has been restarted, you can see that the language has been changed. So follow these easy steps in order to change language on Gemini app. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.